darlings, how are you today? Are you guys having a good Saturday? I hope that you guys are doing something fun other than joining me for this challenge. So let's get started on our move. Today we've got butt kicks. Total body, really easy, especially needed after yesterday. Okay guys, are you ready? What we're going to do is make sure that our feet are hip width apart and our belly button is sucked into our spine and our shoulders are down. I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see me. So this is a super easy move. You're just going to pick one foot up and then the other foot up and try to get it as close to your butt as you can go, but we're going to do it fast. So let's get started. Now make sure that your shoulders don't rotate up. I definitely needed a full body move after yesterday's abs and the day before's abs. I am so sore, it hurts to breathe. But that's okay. I know that is definitely going to be working on those abs, which I know I need work on. Ooh, my mat is slipping all over the place. Don't mind that, guys. I'll fix it whenever the video is done. Whew. So, does anybody have any comments or questions? We are almost done. This one's going to be super easy. Whew, and we're done. Just like that. That only took, what, 2-3 minutes? So make sure that you fit this one into your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!